morning to one and all. My name is Moksha. I am from 9th class. Today word of the day. Listen. Now, meaning to shine with a soft radiant light. Sentence. The morning dew made the grass glisten in the sunlight. As a verb, the meaning of glisten is to reflect a spring, sparkling light or glow. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself Navit Chandrika. I am from 9th class. Today thought of the day. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when they come. Thanks. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Charantaj. I am studying 9th class. Today state news. Deputy CM Pawan Kalyan Garu seek 100 days to address C.
Good morning everyone, myself Umasankar from 9th class. Today's sports news. Australia women defeated Pakistan women by 107 runs in the Women's World Cup 2025 match. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, I am Shivam from 9th class. Today's international news. UK Prime Minister Ted Stamper meets Indian leader in Mumbai, advocating for India's rightful place on UN Security Council and discussing a digital IT partnership inspired by India's Aadhaar. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Aishwarya from 9th class. Today's specialty is World Mental Health Day and National Post Day. Mental Health Day is not a destination but a process. It's about how you drive, not where you are going. Post Day on October 19, commemoration and founding of the Universal Postal Union UPU and Global Postal Cooperation, while National Post Day observed in India on October 10th serves as an extension to celebrate the configuration and history of the Indian Post Network and its Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Samantha from 9th class. Today I am going to tell a sloka. Tamadvare Viswajita Kshitisam Ni Sesha Vishrandrita Kosa Jatai Upatha Vidya Gurudakshinarta Kautsa Prapeda Valatantu Shishya. Its meaning. Through his means, the ruler of the earth approached, he emptied all his treasury completely. The disciple who has acquired knowledge sought to give his Guru Dakshina. The disciple approached the king for help. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Myself Sanyashri. I am from 9th class. Today I feel honored to speak about one of the most respected leaders of our nation, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, the second Prime Minister of India. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughalai Sarai. Interestingly, he shares his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi from his childhood. Shastri Ji was known for his specialty, honesty and dedication to the nation. He strongly believed in truth and non-violence, just like Gandhi Ji. Even though he came from a very humble background, through hard work and determination, he rose to become the PM of India. As PM, he gave us the famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which means hail the soldiers, hail the farmers. With this, he highlighted that the soldiers protect our nation, while the farmers feed our people. This slogan still inspires India even today. Dear students, as students, we can learn from Shastri Ji life to always stay humble, very hard work and share our country with sincerity. Let us salute the great son of India and take inspiration from his life. Thank you all and have a wonderful day. Now Kanishka and Magna are going to sing a song.
Good morning everyone, myself Meghna from 9th class.
Myself Kanishka, I am from 9th class.
Song. Ide mana bharatam, ilalo pooladam, shaktiyudam, muktipadam, aravidisina mandaram, idi jagatiki singaram. Ide mana bharatam, ilalo pooladam, shaktiyudam, muktipadam, aravidisina mandaram, idi jagatiki singaram. Ide mana bharatam, ilalo pooladam, shaktiyudam, muktipadam, aravidisina mandaram, idi jagatiki singaram. Rangedaina, Rupedaina, Tiredaina.
a mineral.
And carbohydrates. We, the students of grade 9, are here to perform a short skit on the importance of eating a balanced diet in our daily life. Are you all ready? Now let's see what happens at Ravi's house.
Ravi, would you please come for lunch? Yes, Mom. Can I know what is lunch for today? Today I have prepared rice and dal. Mom, what is this? I have to lunch puri. No, Ravi, you had puris for breakfast this morning and you should not eat the same kind of food throughout the day. To keep us strong and healthy, we should eat food with different nutrients. What is this, Mom? I don't like all these things. I want to eat the puris for dinner and the lunch.
I don't know how to convince you, Ravi. Mother keeps thinking if anyone could change him. All the nutrients at the mess had a discussion among the nutrients after having the lunch at the Rainbow Mess. Wow, the food provided at the Rainbow Mess was so tasty and yummy.
Yummy paneer. So tasty and
Yummy.
Hey Jessie, which have a plate too? See, I have occupied a major portion in the diet. You know I am so great. I am the king of all the nutrients.
Oh, in what way are great?
I provide lots of energy to all the people to do their physical work.
But I am also great. I am the queen of all the nutrients as a helping growth, body building and repair damaged tissues.
Hey, do you know people love to eat food containing meat? Do you like it? No, fatty foods are not allowed. Hey guys, you know even though we are micronutrients, we have to keep the body healthy. We play a big role in keeping the body healthy and fit.
Do you know that we have a brand called Productive Food, so I protect people from diseases.
Will you allow me to speak?
Hey, who's that? What's the problem?
I'm not fake.
Hello, excuse me. You have no role here. Please go.
No, I have role too. I help in removing the waste from people's body. Have a look at me. Don't neglect me. Love that.
You know how important I am? I help in digestion and regulation of body's temperature. Stop it. I am only great.
Stop it that I'm only great.
I am also great too.
I am great too.
What about me? You too?
Hello, excuse me. Can you allow me to speak? Hey, I'm balanced diet. With you all join hands together. Nothing but me only. Why are you all fighting here? No one is great. Everyone has their own importance to keep the body healthy. Don't argue like this. If we're fighting, how can we convince the poor boy Ravi who is not eating the balanced diet? Oh, I see. That's right. I'm extremely sorry. Shall we all go to Ravi's home to continue him? He needs support from all of us. All nutrients will now summon at Ravi's house. And now at Ravi's house.
I had a dream at the last night. The balanced diet at the nutrition at the house. I explained importance of the balanced diet among other nutrients.
Really? It's so surprising. Knock at the door. I'm a balanced diet. Here I have my friends. We're here to convince you to know the importance of all nutrients in life.
Friends, I had you do my dream at last night. Understood the importance of the eating balanced diet. Thank you for your valuable suggestions.
So friends, I hope all of you understand how to lead a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.